Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going through some practice questions about Piaget's cognitive development. Liam is 8 years old and enjoys organizing his toy cars by color and size. He can easily understand that even if a glass is taller, it doesn't mean it holds more water than a shorter, wider one. Which stage of cognitive development is Liam in? A. Sensorimotor. B. Preoperational. C. Concrete operational. Or D. Formal operational. And the answer is C. Concrete operational. Sophia, age 10, can sort a group of sticks from shortest to longest without any help. Which cognitive ability is she demonstrating? A. Object permanence. B. Egocentrism. C. Seriation. Or D. Abstract thinking. The correct answer is C. Seriation. Maya, age 4, is playing hide and seek. She covers her eyes and believes that because she can't see others, they can't see her. Which cognitive limitation is she demonstrating? A. Conservation. B. Egocentrism. C. Abstract reasoning. Or D. Object permanence. And the answer is B. Egocentrism. Daniel is 15 and enjoys debating complex topics like justice and morality. He can consider hypothetical outcomes and future possibilities with ease. Which stage is Daniel likely in? A. Sensorimotor. B. Preoperational. C. Concrete operational. Or D. Formal operational. And the answer is D. Formal operational. Emma is 2 years old and has started using words to represent objects and experiences. She loves playing pretend and talks to her stuffed animals as if they are real. Which stage of development is Emma in? A. Sensorimotor. B. Preoperational. C. Concrete operational. Or D. Formal operational. And the answer is B. Preoperational. Jacob, age 6, is shown 2 equal balls of clay. When one is flattened, he insists the flattened one has more clay. Which concept is Jacob struggling with? A. Egocentrism. B. Object permanence. C. Conservation. Or D. Reversibility. And the answer is C. Conservation. Carlos, age 11, is beginning to use deductive reasoning to solve science problems and enjoys thinking about what-if scenarios. What stage of cognitive development is he entering? A. Sensorimotor. B. Preoperational. C. Concrete operational. Or D. Formal operational. And the answer is D. Formal operational. Noah is 18 months old and enjoys playing peekaboo. He gets excited each time his caregiver reappears, but if a toy is hidden, he does not search for it. What concept is he still developing? A. Egocentrism. B. Conservation. C. Abstract learning. Or D. Object permanence. And the answer is D. object permanence. A 9-month-old baby stops playing to look for a toy that was hidden under a blanket. This is a new behavior for her. What cognitive milestone has she just achieved? A. Egocentrism. B. Classification. C. Object permanence. Or D. Seriation. And the correct answer is C. Object permanence. A 3-year-old child is playing with blocks and becomes frustrated when they fall over. Instead of trying again, she believes the blocks don't like her. What characteristic of the preoperational stage is this an example of? A. Seriation. B. Animism. C. Conservation. Or D. Reversibility. And the correct answer is B. Animism. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching my video. Please like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on notifications for videos just like this. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment for me below. Happy studying!